Hello, how are you? Straight from my garden, 5 tips on what to do before first flight with your brand new DJI Mini 2. Number 1, when you receive the box, inside the box you will have battery or batteries. In the manual it says they are charged a little bit, like half of quarter of charge, but they're not. They've been all drained, they've been all empty. So make sure you have time, maybe do it overnight, charge everything, both drone and both controller. Make sure they're fully charged, because you will need it. You want to play with all the settings, you want to play with all the things around, so make sure everything is charged. Tip number 2, make sure you download the correct app for the drone. So it's not DJI Go, it's not DJI Pilot, it's DJI Fly app, and you will get the link to the app in the description down below. So I downloaded those DJI Go and DJI Pilot, and they simply didn't work. They couldn't connect. I got frustrated. They couldn't connect with my phone. They couldn't connect with drone, and I was like frustrated. I was like, didn't know what's going on. But then once I downloaded DJI Fly, everything went smooth. So do it properly. Tip number 3: if you wanna switch on your drone, this is the button, not this one. This one is the button to connect drone with your controller if the connection is lost. This one you just press once and then press and hold to activate, to switch on the drone and to power on the drone. Simple as that. So I get frustrated. I thought this one is the main button, because this one looks like just to check the status of the battery. Yes, once you press once, check the status. Once you press and hold, you will switch on, power on your drone. Tip number 4: get correct phone to your controller. So first thing first, on the bottom of the box it says drone made for iPhone. It's not. It's a lie. It's not made for iPhone. I'm using Samsung S20. It works brilliantly. But look, everything is fine, yeah? But once I'm gonna mount my phone, my Samsung S20, to the controller, I can't unblock it. The button is just here, and you can't basically unlock it. So what I was doing, I just simply slide it to the left, but it doesn't look right, kind of. Yeah, it still works, still fine, but then I press this button and then I can unblock the screen. So I'm thinking to use Samsung S9, or maybe earlier Samsung. Maybe I buy second hand or something, but it does not really suit this one. Okay, you can unlock it, you can put it there, but what about if you want to put it away for a second, or if you accidentally lock the screen? So it's not really working, that phone, with that. But for the first flight was fine, and yeah, I was happy with that. So after connecting to the drone, it was all fine. Tip number 5: once you connect phone to the drone, make sure you upgrade the software inside the drone. So the app will ask you to do it. So you need to have internet connection. You need to have time, because it doesn't last for 1 second. It's going to take a few minutes. So make sure you have time to do it. Make sure you have environment to do it. You have internet connection. You're not rushing. Make sure that all of that things are done in a calm manner, because you don't want to mess anything around. You just want to upgrade that, because that gear is asking for that. So make sure you do it. Tip number 6: I know it's supposed to be 5 tips, but will be 7 tips. So tip number 6, make sure before first flight, make sure you put your drone on the flat surface and it's free from the some washing cords or any umbrellas like for sun parasols or small roofs, veranda, porch, whatever. Make sure the environment around you is clear, because you don't know how to fly it. So make sure you have the area around you, and don't fly anywhere far. Just do it a little bit. Make sure you know all what works here, all of the controls. Make sure you know basically what you're doing. Basic moves, so you go left, right, forward, backwards, up and down, yeah, and where you basically take picture or take a film. And tip number 7, the last thing is, so it is very, very important. So once the drone is supplied to you, the settings are for the film and for photography is film is 1080, and you bought your DJI Mavic 2, a DJI Mini 2, because it's 4K sensor. So you go inside the settings in your app and change the settings of the video to 4K if you want, of course. And what is even more important, if you want to take a drone pictures, drone photography, go to the settings and change the settings to JPEG and RAW, to make sure that pictures are come in a RAW format and you can play around in the post-production, not just JPEG, and you don't have that much of control, that much of information. Yeah, so I will make another flight now. Make sure subscribe, hit that like button. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers soon, so help us to reach with that film to more drone enthusiasts like us. And yeah, see you soon, and it's gonna be another drone video because we have a nice shoot, cross fingers, gonna be nice weather coming very soon, and gonna be nice backstage hopefully from that shoot. Stay tuned, see you later, alligator.